Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda CRV brake pads. First, gather your essential tools like a jack, lug wrench, and new brake pads. Safety is key, so lift your CRV and secure it firmly with jack stands. Then, remove the wheel to get clear access to the brake assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for the next steps. Now, let's remove those old pads. Begin by loosening and removing the two caliper guide pins. Once those are out, carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Remember to hang the caliper securely, avoiding strain on the brake hose. Finally, you can easily remove the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and apply a thin layer of brake grease to all contact points. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its bore using a C-clamp or a specialized piston tool. Finally, carefully insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. You're almost done. Reinstall the caliper, making sure to tighten the guide pins to the manufacturer's specifications. Put the wheel back on and lower your CRV. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads. Then, take a careful test drive at low speeds to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.